Yesterday, the gold has tried to move higher, and the price has reached again the higher price than the days before that, but we can see that the price has formed an indecision candle. The fight between the buyers and the sellers is still continuing, and on the daily chart we can see after the day before that the price formed a bullish candle indicating further rise in value. The price has risen but could not close the day above, which means there is still struggle for the buyers because the sellers are pushing the price down. On the 4-hour time frame we can see how the price has behaved. The price yesterday was trying to move higher, reaching higher price levels. The price has touched it again 4340.92, and then the price was turned back down, almost trying to reach lower levels, but the price has recovered and attempted again one more time to reach high price levels, and the price has made a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. We can see that a large wick on the upper side, and then in this 4-hour time frame the price has returned back down, forming this strong bearish pin bar right here at the resistance level, and after that indecision and then a bearish candle. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see this was an attempt for the price to make a bullish breakout above. The price has reached very close to the 1-hour time frame resistance 4376.26, and from here returned back down. This was a false bullish breakout because it was invalid with the next bearish breakout to the downside, and the price has continued to lose its value all the way to the first support level, which is 4314.36. What we can see currently, the price has stopped at this area of support and currently cannot manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support. We can see that the price has touched this area of support 3 times, and currently the price is still holding. How far and how long will the price make this support strong, and will there be a bearish breakout going further down? This is something that we need to watch closely today, because the price is currently still inside this range area, which is we can see currently lasting for several days. And then also, if we take a look here on the higher time frame, we have here on the 4-hour time frame 4340.92, our resistance level, and the daily support at 4289.23. So this is the range that the price is still holding inside, which needs to make a bullish or bearish breakout. I'm still open to see the price to the higher price levels, but before that I need to see closely on the 4-hour time frame bullish breakout like yesterday and attend, but closing the candle on the 4-hour time frame above that. And after that we'll see, will the price manage to reach high price levels, or it will go further down. There is also an open space for the price to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, below 4314.36, because if the price makes a bearish breakout, it will indicate further decline, because also on this 4-hour time frame we have a strong bearish pin bar indicating that there is a potential that the price goes down further, where the next support will be 4289.23, a support level, and we can see that there is a higher level of chances that the price at least reaches this area of 4302, which is here a confluence between the buyers and the sellers, a support and a resistance level. So this is also potential a target currently for the price that the price could reach today. But also remember that today is a Friday, which means there is high probability that the price moves in one of the direction and then suddenly changes that direction. If you take a look here in the past, what has happened in the previous attempt, just a minute, here it is, on the 12th of December, we can see that at 13 o'clock and then at 17 o'clock the price has moved down strongly, lost its value, and then recovered again in the next day. So I'm paying attention that this today at 1 o'clock is the last time where I should be on the market, because after that the price could go in the opposite direction. And if we go back here, we will see precisely when that happens at 4 o'clock, which is currently GMT +2, which means at 5 o'clock the price has completely moved in the opposite direction. So this could be also happening today. We will see what happens also today, but this is very important for me that this is the last hour, which is 4 o'clock in the afternoon is the last hour for trading, and after that it is the best to get out from the market, because the market is closing and also the traders get out from their trades, locking their profits. We can see that it was a bullish move moving strongly up and then locking their profits, which has triggered a sell-off right here on Friday in the afternoon. If we take a look again in the last Friday, Here it is at 4 o'clock. This is the 5 o'clock, and then again 6 o'clock. So 5 and 6 are very important levels for the gold on the Friday, which is very important to get out from the trades before the locking profits starts. And if we take a look here again in the past, just a minute, I would like to check another one. Here it is. Okay, 28 at, here it is. In this case, we can see that this didn't happen. At 5 o'clock, the prices, and 6 o'clock, the price has continued to rise in value easily, and then there was no sell-off. So it can happen sometimes, but the pattern is mostly the same. On average, if we take a look here, it is the time when it is the best, when to get from the trades out and lock the profits. This is something that I will watch closely and see what happens, but this is the idea for Friday in the afternoon. Stay out, be safe, and protect your account. The Monday will start, and then we can continue moving on, like in this example where we have closing the week and then starting the new week with the price rising in value, continuing the previous move. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.